Find features that distinguish it from other brands. For Redact 2400 watt gas powered inverter generators, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: powerful and reliable. 79.7 cc engine generates 2400 peak watts and 1800 rated watts. The starting type is recoil start on a 1.05 gallon gas tank. The generators for home use provides efficient power source for home emergencies, camping. Quiet and lightweight. With a noise level of 68 decibels at 7 meter, the generator is designed to operate quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance. Weighing 39.7 pounds, it is also incredibly lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Advanced safety features. When the oil drops below the safety line, the oil protection system will automatically shut down the inverter generator to protect generator. CO sensor detects carbon monoxide, ensuring the safety of you and your family. Parallel capable. The portable generator can be connected to Redact in parallel, doubling the power output for even more convenience. Whether you need extra power for RV trips or want to have backup power for home, this generator has got you covered. Multiple indicators and controls. With features like the overload indicator, running indicator, engine switch, eco mode, VFRT display, AC reset button, and more. This portable generator offers convenient monitoring and control options for optimal performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.